Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
What if you could replace every single AI tool you are currently paying for? ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI, Canva, Jasper, Midjourney? With one single platform that does it all. Better, faster, and for a one-time price of just $17. Right now, you're probably spending anywhere from $100 to $500 every single month on AI subscriptions that cap your usage, limit your access, and still don't give you the results you actually need. You're juggling 5 different tools just to complete one single task, paying premium prices for average output. And every month, another charge hits your account, whether you use it or not. It is exhausting, it is expensive, and it stops today. Introducing ClaudeGO, the ultimate Claude-powered AI platform that gives you access to the complete lineup of premium Claude models from one powerful dashboard. ClaudeGO is not just another chatbot, it's your complete AI workspace. Type a single prompt and watch ClaudeGO build you a complete website, write your entire sales page, create a professional presentation, generate Word documents, PDFs, and spreadsheets, write your ad copy, email sequences, blog posts, ebooks, and much more, all in seconds. Powered by advanced Claude AI models, ClaudeGO delivers exceptional writing, reasoning, coding, research, and content creation, all while remaining simple enough for complete beginners with zero technical skills. Right now, for a strictly limited time, you can get lifetime access to ClaudeGO for a one-time payment of just $17. No monthly fees, no hidden charges, no usage limits ever. Plus, a free commercial license so you can sell everything ClaudeGO creates and keep 100% of the profits. But you need to act right now because this one-time price increases every single hour. And once this launch window closes, it switches to a monthly subscription permanently. Click the button below, get instant access, and let ClaudeGO start building your income today.